serves as your performance report for all the tasks, leads, and properties that you have to focus on. It serves as your data on how you are managing these aspects. The dashboard is a tool wherein you can see your to-do list, your lead tracker, and your properties performance. Your to-do list shows all your pending tasks to do with your clients. It helps you to stay on top of the activities you have to do. Your lead tracker shows the breakdown of your leads and their status. Your leads tracker gets updated once you manually update your individual leads. The properties performance shows your top 5 properties based on leads generated. It serves as a guide in finding out which properties should you focus on first.